madumi yata. Kita ba madumi?
Hello guys, I'm gonna unbox and taste this famous chocolate and this fix dessert chocolate here. And special thanks to Tita Jubes. Let's taste it now.
Dapat kita sa
Okay, let's open it now. I can see the color now. Oh my god, look at this. This chocolate bar is so big. Let's cut it. Wait. My mom will help me. My mom will help me first. Wow. That's why it's famous.
Oh, wait.
I love that.
Sabihin mo ang sabihan.
Tara.
Ano? Yung dapat ito.
Thank you for birthday. Bakit green siya? Bakit green? The pistachio is very good. Papa, look, it's green. Papa, look.
Wow, can I have one?
Yes.
I'm gonna taste the fix. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Anong masasabi? Anong masasabi mo?
It's very yummy.
Hmm?
Kanino yan? Tingnan ni Alma.
Isang square lang. Matamis.
It's so yummy, guys.
Sarap.
It's so yummy, guys.